Simple and natural conversation between a bank manager and a customer for opening a new account. Good morning, sir. Good morning. How can I help you? Sir, I want to open a new bank account. Certainly. What type of account would you like to open? I would like to open a savings account. That's a good choice. May I know your name, please? My name is Rahul Sharma. Please fill out this account opening form. Okay, sir. What documents are required? You need your Aadhaar card, PAN card, and 2 passport-size photographs. I have brought all the required documents. Great. Please submit them along with the form. Here you are, sir. Thank you. What is your occupation? I am a college student. Fine. The minimum balance for a savings account is 1,000 rupees. No problem. I will deposit the amount today. Your account will be activated within 24 hours. When will I get my ATM card and passbook? You will receive them within 7 working days. Okay, sir. Thank you very much for your help. You're welcome. Have a nice day.